shield, cinder, stratovolcano or composite, parasitic or satellite, dome shape. Then we can be able to see crater, crater lake, caldera, caldera lake, lava plateau, lava plain. These are the extrusive volcanic landform. Okay. Okay. Suppose I said that when the magma is just below the Earth's surface and when it is coming up, so just before the Earth's surface they started water taking in a reservoir where they started storing. Okay, so suppose compared to this one, this region has been found to be softer. They started what? Garam hai hi, force hai. They started what? Taking large area, and that is known as a magma chamber, where they started solidifying. Sorry, where they started storing. That is in a magma chamber, and after that, when this magma chamber has been completely filled up with what is in a magma, then it started coming out. जब ये pressurized हो गया, and then it has been filled up, but also the magma supplies from the below, what will happen? It will put in a pressure on it, and then there will be a volcanic eruption. The region from where it is coming out, that is known as a VENT, vent. That is known as what? Vent. It is known as what? The from where it makes in a circular cut and it is coming out, it is known as, I said that, a VENT, vent. Understood it? And then this pipe is known as conduit pipe, CONDUIT. This pipe is known as, simply आप ऐसे बना लें, and then you have to say that is, I said that, conduit pipe. So which are the name I said that? Magma chamber, VENT, vent, and then I said that conduit pipe. Which pipe I said that? Through which the magma is coming out on the Earth's surface after the formation of volcanic mountain. Understood? And this saucer shape at the mouth of volcanic mountain. Saucer shape structure at the mouth of volcanic mountain is known as crater. Is known as what? Crater. So which are the things we have seen? Yes, tell me. Yes, magma chamber, vent, conduit pipe, and vent. Sorry, crater. Understood it? Killer? So these are the things that we have been able to see in this. Now, we are going to understand all this. So, जब भी magma आएगा, it will be. Listen me carefully. One thing more also. ध्यान से. Which magma is this at shallow depth? Fast. Which magma? And who is there in this magma? Silica is. मेरे से जल्दी बोला करो, मेरी सांसें फूलने लग जाती है. Silica is more than iron and magnesium. And which magma is this? And who is more? Iron, magnesium. And यहाँ पे एक magma बनता है. It is andesitic. Which one I said that? जिसमें ferrous magnesium is near to equivalent to silica. Means they are what? Neither highly viscous nor less viscous. Okay, this magma can behave any time granitic and basaltic kind of it. Understood it? And it will be comparatively less explosive. Andesitic magma. Understood? और ये दोनों के बीच में से आ रहा है. Yes or no? Means below granitic. Just below granitic, which magma will see? Andesitic. Understood it? Now we are going to see the sealed type of volcanic ध्यान से देखना एंड जस्ट आप लोग जितना फास्ट कर सकते हैं दैट्स योर चॉइस. दिस इज एन आई सेड दैट विच मैग्मा, basaltic magma or basic magma. It is coming up, and what is the character? Easily flow, breaking it and what? Spreading, and it will spread like this only. So it creates an what? Shield structure. Which I said that? Shield type volcanic cone. Who has caused formation of this silt type? Basaltic magma. आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे ये लावा प्लेटी है. लावा प्लेटी के लिए दिस मच ऑफ मैग्मा नीड्स a very large amount of magma. ये आपको लावा प्लेटी दिख रहा है. It is in says I said that it can be in the 50 square kilometer or it can be 100 square kilometer. इतना ही एरिया में होगा. And Deccan lava plateau is in how much area? 5 lakh square kilometer. So 100 square kilometer and 5 lakh में difference नहीं है. And plateau बनाने के लिए they should have a height 300, 400, 500 meter. Yes or no? So don't think that it is in a shield. It is in a plateau. It is in a having some. I said that it can have an 100 meter height or 200 meter height. But it can never be in a what very large area. So this is in a which kind of it? Shield. Which kind of it? और plateau बनाने के लिए क्या चाहिए? Tell me. Less magma या very 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 large amount of basaltic magma. Very large. Or who has created Deccan lava plateau? Hotspot, reunion hotspot. याद है ना? एंड हमने बोला था, याद हो कि हॉटस्पॉट के लिए मैंने बोला था इट इज एन व्हाट विद इन द डीप सरफेस इन द डीप मेंटल इट इज इन अ कंटिन्यूअस सप्लाई ऑफ इट एंड देयर इज इन अ कंटिन्यूअस सोर्स ऑफ व्हाट मैग्मा मेंटल प्लान. तो जब कंटिन्यूअस सोर्स देन इट विल बिकम एन अ प्लेट्यू. सो हॉटस्पॉट्स इज ट्राइंग टू हेल्प इन मेकिंग व्हाट प्लेट्यू. basaltic magma cannot make, which is coming from the 1350. I said that the magma, basaltic magma, coming from whom? Coming from whom? Reunion and different kind of hotspot. They can create a large structure because they have a large basaltic magma. Yes or no? So I said that this is a shield type of cone. Clear? Understood? और एक बात ध्यान रखना that peninsular India को बोला जाता है cratonic shield. Do not take this word over there. That shield is something and this is something else. Clear? So do not take this word as peninsular India को cratonic shield बोलते हैं. I'll tell you later. Shall I remove? So it is clear about shield type. कैसे बनेगा? Yes, tell me how does the shield type cone burn? So from the deep mantle, the basaltic magma comes up and break the earth's surface in which form? Circular or central type? In which form? Yes, tell me in which form? Break in सर्कुलर. और जब सर्कुलर तोड़ता है तो उसको बोला जाता है सेंट्रल टाइप. व्हेन आई वाज टीचिंग यू द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ डेक्कन प्लेट्यू दैट टाइम आई हैव सेड दैट सर्कुलर और सेंट्रल टाइप एंड 4 वोल्केनिक इरप्शन सेंट्रल टाइप. लेकिन लास्ट के 3 थे फास्ट, देयरफॉर इट लुकिंग लाइक फिशर टाइप. सो आई सेड दैट मतलब क्रैक काइंड ऑफ इट. सो आई सेड दैट इट इज कमिंग आउट ऑन द अर्थ सरफेस थ्रू सेंट्रल टाइप with a less amount of magma and then is spread all around, and it creates with less slope shield structure. With less slope. Understood? Next one I said that cinder type of volcanic core. Which one I said that? Or when I was making into cinder, then cinder slash I have written ash. I have written what? Ash. What is the meaning of pyroclastic? Pyroclastic means particles, ash, gas, ash, dust, gas, lava. When these are the things are there in the volcanic eruption, क्या क्या रहेगा? ब्रोकन पार्टिकल्स, ब्रोकन पार्टिकल्स को बोला जाता है क्लास्टिक्स. ब्रोकन पार्टिकल्स, एश, डस्ट, यस, गैसेस एंड, याद रहेगा, these are known as pyroclastic. These are known as, shall I remove? So I am going to see cinder or S type of volcanic cone, and this time I said that volcanic, this is a granitic volcanic eruption. So which magma is this? Granitic magma. Which magma? And we are going to see cinder or ash type of volcanic cone. And there is a good amount of what I said, that gaseous pressure. Which pressure? नीचे से क्या दे रहे हैं? Gaseous pressure. Yes. And then gaseous pressure is there, then this granitic magma will come out with the explosion because it is highly viscous. And when it comes out with the explosion through the central type, magma आया and इसके साथ क्या करेगा? इस region के rock को तोड़ देगा. Yes or not? And these rock particles will become what? Particles? Yes or not? Dust. Yes. And burn due to high heat, ash. So what I said, that particle, yes, dust, ash and gases along with some lava. So यहाँ पे क्या हुआ? There is now what? Particles with some lava get deposited. Pyroclastic. And it keep on doing. What is the reason? Granitic magma first. And then I said high gaseous pressure. Which one I said that? Clear? And ये कहाँ पे? It is near to the earth's surface. It is very near to the earth's surface. It is very near to earth surface. Understood? Understood it? Very near to the earth's surface means ऊपर से एक pressure है लेकिन उतना नहीं है. Yes or not? So therefore, if it is coming out, then there is this gas is making pressure and coming out, and this particles has been what? Broken. So we have this kind of what? Volcanic cone, and we have more of plastic. Particles बहुत ज़्यादा होंगे. Yes, more of plastic. These are particles are loosely packed or closely packed. Particles कैसे होते हैं? Rock particles and all. Loosely packed या closely packed? Loosely like sand and all. So can they attain higher height? Can they attain higher height? So this kind of volcanic eruption can never attain the highest volcanic mountains in the world. ध्यान में रखिएगा. Why the cinder type? This cinder or ash are what? Loosely. And if it is loosely packed, they can never attain highest volcanic mountains of the world. Highest volcanic mountains of the world, they can never attain such height. Andes में जाओगे तो वहाँ पे एक मिलेगा, that you know that its name is Chimborazo and Cotopaxi in Ecuador country. In which country? Ecuador country. And these are one of the highest volcanic mountain. And next हम लोग जो करने जा रहे हैं, yes, after cinder, which one? Stratovolcano. What is the meaning of strata? Yes, layers. And यहाँ पे दो layers होंगे. Yes, इसका मतलब layers. And then combination of two layers. Can I say it composite? Yes or not? So one layer is of pyroclastic and another layer is of what? And one layer is of pyroclastic, another layer is of what? Tell me fast. Yes. What is in lava? One layer is of pyroclastic, another layer is of what? Lava. तो ध्यान से देखेंगे. So this is an andesitic magma. Which magma I said that? Or little granitic. Andesitic magma. Understood? With little granitic. With some granitic will also include. मतलब complete andesitic नहीं है ना तो complete granitic है. Understood? In between. Andesitic with little granitic. Understood? When it will do volcanic eruption with large amount of lava, they are giving large amount of lava, and then through the vent it comes out, and what happens? A layer of lava around the conduit pipe. They come out with some little explosion. Come out with little explosion. Understood it? Come out with